Hello my friend, this is Reyjay Sawayan from Philippines, one of the affiliate marketers of CROWD1. Okay, so what is CROWD1? Today my goal is to teach you and help you realize what will be your advantage and what will be your benefits if you do CROWD1 business. Okay, so what is CROWD1? CROWD1 is an affiliate marketing company from Europe. Okay, so if you join CROWD1, you will earn euro. Okay. Now, Jonas Eric Werner is the founder of CROWD1 and he is also the IT from Facebook. So you can search more about him on Google if you want more information about him. Okay? Now, one of our CEO is Mr. Johan Steele von Holstein. Okay, so he is also a businessman and he is one of our CEO. Okay? Now, Mr. John Frostney is the Asia Pacific manager. So he is the reason why CROWD1 is here in Philippines. Okay, so we have offices in Dubai, okay, in Europe, and now in Manila, Philippines, and soon coming in South Africa, Johannesburg. So right now we are a pioneer company. Okay, so we are a pioneering company and you will have a very big advantage if you become part of this company. So right now our office is located in 8 Rockwell, so in Philippines, and this is the most important, we are a legal company. Okay, so we are legal, we are paying tax to the government, so that is the importance of this company. So we are not an investment company that you will just give money and let your money grow. So we are not like that company, no. So we are also not cryptocurrency and we are also not trading, so we are not going to play with our money here. This is a serious business. So CROWD1 is a digital marketing. So what is the example of digital marketing? Like for example, YouTube. As you can see, many people are becoming rich in YouTube. Like for example, Mr. Rafi Tolfo. He is the #1 YouTuber in Philippines. Okay, so he is earning 7.1 million per month in YouTube. So how do they earn in YouTube? They earn in YouTube through advertisement. Okay, so if you watch videos on YouTube, you can see advertisements. Those advertisers will pay to YouTube and YouTube will pay to a YouTuber like Rafi Tolfo. That's why he earns 7.1 million every month. Okay, so like example in Facebook, if you scroll in Facebook, you can see advertisements. Okay, people are paying, companies are paying to Facebook to advertise their products. Okay, so that is Facebook. That is what we call digital marketing. CROWD1 is a mobile gaming industry. Okay, so our products here is games. Okay, so like for example, if people will play games, you will earn from them even though you did not play the games. So what is the examples of digital marketing? As you can see in your application in your cell phone, those applications have advertisements. So our products here is games like Dota 2. If you are familiar with this is very common. Mobile Legends, Supercell, Flappy Bird, and Candy Crush. If people play these games, you will earn dividend. Okay, so Mobile Legends earned $200 million since its launching. Dota 2 is a very popular games. Flappy Bird, 2.5 million pesos. Okay, Candy Crush earning $1 million per day. Okay, so if you become part of CROWD1, you will have share from these earnings. Okay, because you become one of the profit sharing in CROWD1. Okay, Affiligo and Mixter is our developer. They are the one who are making our games and they are the partner of CROWD1. Okay, so like for example, the online gaming industry in 2019, this is a gambling games made by Affiligo. Okay, so rich people right now don't need to go to casino to play and gamble. They can do games through their cell phone and they can gamble through their cell phone. If you become a member in CROWD1, you will earn from their games. Okay, now Mixter is the creator of games from our phone, mobile games. Okay, so all mobile games created by Mixter. Okay, now how to join and how to become an affiliate of CROWD1. Okay, so you have 4 options. Option 1 is white package, black package, gold, titanium. Now, if you join CROWD1, you can start with 99 euro for the white package, black package is 299, gold package is 799, and 2,499 for the titanium. What is the benefits if you join CROWD1? So, I start white package, okay? I will explain this owner rights to you. This is your dividend, and in black 300, in gold 1,000, and titanium you will have dividend of 3,500. So how does that work? I will explain to you, okay? So ways to earn, you will have a fear of loss, okay? Fear of loss meaning this after you join the business, after you register, you will be given 14 days or 2 weeks, okay, to invite 4 people to join. So if you invite 4 people to get white package, you will earn 125 euro. You will claim that after 14 days. So you already have your investment back. Okay, so what if you invited 4 black package? Okay, so you will earn 375 euros. And what if you invited 4 people to buy 4 gold package? You will earn 1,000 euro in 14 days. Or titanium, you will earn 3,000 euro in 14 days if you bring that. Okay, so that will be your earnings after 14 days. Okay, now you will also have weekly streamline bonus. Okay, weekly streamline bonus depends on your level and the number of members who join after you. Okay, now your level is also depends on your network, and earn additional owner rights or dividends from 2.5 euro high as 1,000 euros per week. So you will have a dividend depending on your level. So I started 2.5 euro every week. Now binary bonus, earn up to 1,080. Okay, so this is Philippine money, Philippine currency. Okay, preparing. So like for example, if someone from your left buy white package, you will have 90 points and white 90 points. So it will pair, you will earn 18 euro. Okay, another one, so every pair you will earn 18 euro. 1 left plus 1 right equals 18 euro. Now we have a good news. We have a 1:2 ratio. Like for example, we are only one account. Okay, exclusive only one account. And what if 2 people from right and only 1 person from left? It will pair already, not like the other companies. Okay, you will earn 27 euro from that. Okay, now we have another option, 1 equals to 3 ratio. So like for example, there are 3 here in your right and only 1 here in your left. It will not wait to complete another, to find another 2. It will already pair. See? And you will earn 36 euro. That's how the best is this company. Okay, now we also have matching bonus. You will earn 10% from every direct referrals or indirect referrals depending on the package that you bought. Okay, so if you buy white package, you will earn 10% to your up to your level 1, black is up to level 3, gold is up to level 4, titanium is up to level 5. You will earn 10% from their earnings. That's the best about this company. What if I don't invite? Do I still earn? The answer is yes. Okay, why? How? So you will earn quarterly dividends plus monthly residual income. Okay, so you will have a dividend and profit sharing from the games that people are playing. Okay, that's the big advantage in this business. Now, how does CROWD1 make money? So if this is CROWD1, this is AffilGo, this is Mixter. Their earnings are 50-50 profit will goes to CROWD1. For example, 100 million will come to CROWD1, 20% only for CROWD1 operation, and the 40% will be for the network. Okay, so that will be your commission, and the other 40% will be to your owner rights or your quarterly dividends. Okay, now if you become part of CROWD1, you will also have an online account with username and password where you can monitor your income online. So here you can see my balance 46 euro. So I'm new to this business and I'm very excited because I'm just 5 days right now. This is my 5 days in this business and you can see I have already earning. Okay, and this is your potential bonus and honor rights. This is my honor rights. As you can see, this is my share from the games and you can see the points. And we have also VIP cruise if this will reach 100%. So as you can see, I am 33% now. So how can we withdraw the earnings? You can withdraw through bank, any Visa account or Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, you can connect your Bitcoin wallet here. And also the most popular right now is gift code. Okay, so like for example, if you are a member of CROWD1 and you earn 99 euro, you can generate code or registration code from the company, and the person who will join the business will pay the 99 euro directly to you. Okay, so you will claim the money and it's yours already, and you register the person who joined. Okay, that's it, my friend. Thank you for your time and I'm looking forward to become partner with you. God bless.